kadak makayole omako achije 4 mawachore ni gin jokuoye kendo itudo gi weche mag njore e boma ma Nairobi. Komanda mar obila Manjiru John Owoth owacho ni apisa mag obila mane nie tich no ochungo ji 3 mane nie wi apiko, to kata kamano ne giringo ka giwito magina manigi lisasi bang'e to ne odhi omakgi. Gie kindeno bende obila noyudo musdola kido mar Falcon gi lisasi 19, nembni 3 mag geche, TV, apiko 3 to kod ndiga. Nyaka sani apisa mag obila koro kwayo jodak moselalo simbegi kendo mondo chope tesend obila ma Kayole mondo yang-gi.
During mid-morning, just normal operation around within our area. Unsuspiciously, we intercepted a motorbike with 3 billion around between Kayole Junction and Saika for normal checkups of traffic-related cases. But apparently, when they were stopped, 2 pillions who were being carried jumped and ran away. So the one who was driving or riding the motorcycle was caught, detained. Then we tried to chase the 2. Apparently, 1 dropped something like a mobile phone. So we thought it's a phone snatcher. Then when he was caught by the officers plus members of the public, he was brought to the place where he dropped something similar to a phone. To the shocking, it was found it was a Falcon pistol. And due to that, it has assisted us to recover all these phones you are seeing before you, the number plates, the new clothes which we suspect that they broke a clothing shop. Place still we don't know. At our disposal, we have 4 prisoners that we have arrested so far for the last 3 days.